Freaking choked it, dude. Tank. Never mind. It's a fish, though. Get on the bank. Freaking choked it, dude. Are you freaking serious, dog? That'll really get you going, right? Oh, God, yeah. Oh, God, yeah. You ain't crocking, you ain't rocking. Oh, God, how am I gonna... What? What am I gonna do, dude? I don't know if that fish is gonna make it. It was freaking gut hooked. But I got it out. It's bleeding pretty good, but it swam off for now. Yep, he did. Rip. This is a Booyah mini spinnerbait. I believe it's Purple Magic. It's about that was my third bite on it. Alright, y'all, it's the heat of summer, middle of the day, hotter than crap. So I switched it to a more finesse style bait because sometimes they don't want to attack a fast moving bait in the shallows. Sometimes you got to switch it to a more finesse style bait like a Senko. That's a great option. So I'm going to switch it up here. Or I did switch it up. And we'll see what we can get here. My phone's acting a little bit funky, so I actually hope this is on film right now. And I just casted backwards. Damn it, I had one. Yep. Cameras go off because my phone's acting up. Recording this with the Snapchat. Yep, I caught one. Got hooked again, but I got it out this time. So, just let her go, let her grow. Be keeping it real, baby. Just let her go, let her grow, baby. Let's go. Oh, yeah.